up, you guys? It's Kat. Welcome back. Yesterday was my sister's birthday. She turned 2. I'm just kidding, she turned 22. But the second balloon like flew up there, and so I do want to get that down. I just don't know how we're gonna do it because there's like it's like really high. And then she ended up sleeping over last night as well, so that's why all these blankets and sheets are on the couch. This morning she was sweet. She was like, oh, I'll make the bed or the couch. And I was like, don't worry about it. I'm filming a video, so I want to do it for the video, you know? Are you thinking that little tail go? Look at your tail go. Gabby girl. So yeah, I have a lot of cleaning in here to do. Let's see, the kitchen is also kind of a disaster. My family came over the other night for dinner for Annie's birthday, so have like boxes of pizza, a cake, all just like a bunch of beer, random stuff we have to clean up. Thankfully that's clean, so just have to put that away. I don't have too many dirty dishes. And there's the bedroom. Tomorrow is my best friend Laris's engagement party, and so I was trying on a whole bunch of dresses. You can see, just have a whole bunch of random stuff out that I have to put all away. My hair is really annoying me this morning though. I had 1 cup of coffee. I'm gonna make a 2nd cup of coffee right now, and then I also need to make some breakfast because I haven't really eaten anything today yet, and then we're gonna start cleaning. Oh shoot, I forgot about that too. We have to fix those leaves because that fell off. But first, coffee. My mom got me a box of these pumpkin spice coffee pods, and they're really good because they're not too sweet. So, you know, I don't like really sugary coffee, but they still give me that pumpkin flavor. Too hot, too hot. Does smell like pumpkin though. Welcome to this Clean With Me video. I hope this video can motivate and inspire you to get whatever you have to get done on your to-do list done, whether that's cleaning or organizing or homework or your full-time job or whatever it may be that you have to get done. I hope this video can motivate you to do it. Like I said, my condo was pretty messy today. It was my sister's birthday the day before I filmed this, and she had slept over, and the night before that my family had come over for her birthday for like a dinner. So you'll see it got pretty messy, and today, as you'll see, I decided to do a room by room method, so that's how we're doing this Clean With Me. You don't like your bed, baby? If you're looking for really great candles at a super inexpensive price, I highly recommend you check out Walmart. Their Walmart store brand candles are honestly some of my favorite candles I've ever purchased. This is the pumpkin spice one, and oh my gosh, it smells incredible. This is by far my favorite fall candle. Also, if you are enjoying this video so far and you want more videos like this from me, I know you've probably heard a million people say this in a million different videos, but I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I make a ton of content just like this, home, lifestyle, motivational type content. So I would love for you to consider subscribing as well if you're not already.
I know, it's scary sometimes, but I know, we're safe.
And you can see here I'm listening to music in my headphones, which I typically don't ever do. I just did that today because Tim was watching a movie while I was cleaning, but I'm gonna be honest, I actually really liked this. Typically I'll just have music playing on my phone and like I don't have headphones on or anything, but I feel like having the headphones in really kind of like blocked out anything else going on around me and really helped me get centered and focused on cleaning and kind of like in the zone more. So I think I may actually start wearing headphones while I clean more, even if I'm just home alone.
Really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
So I know I've been doing a ton of clean with me vlogs recently, and I don't plan on slowing down with these. These are honestly some of my favorite videos to film and edit. I just feel like they're so fun to do, but I do have a handful of different types of videos coming soon as well. I have a fall morning routine. I have a how to clean and organize your closet video. I have a how to keep your home clutter free video. So I'm trying to switch it up in the upcoming weeks as well. But let me know in the comments any other video requests that you have, or if you want to continue seeing more clean with me vlogs. I still definitely plan to do these at least every other week. So I just feel like there's so much to do in these videos, and it feels a little bit more personal because it's more vlog style and we're chatting, but I also like to give you motivation in them. But I just wanted to let you in on some of the exciting videos that are coming soon. And today I also decided to clean off my stove. I'd say like every other weekish, sometimes every week, depending on how much Tim and I are cooking that week. This stove will just get really dirty and messy and have all food in it. So I'll go through, wipe it down, and it makes such a big difference to me when I'm in the kitchen and the stove is clean versus crumbs and everything all in there. So something I want to start doing in my clean with me videos is having a motivational or inspirational quote of the day. I feel like this will be a fun thing to add in somewhere within each of my clean with me's, and I don't know, I'm definitely a lover of quotes. I feel like a good inspirational quote really goes a long way. To start off, I wanted to share my all-time favorite quote. This quote has gotten me through so many times and days when I was just not feeling good. I felt like things were not going my way. I was very unmotivated or honestly just sad and upset sometimes. And this quote really, really helps to change my mindset. So the quote is, "Staying positive doesn't mean you have to be happy all of the time. It means that even on hard days, you know there are better ones coming." And I love this so much because nobody's going to be happy all the time. Nobody is going to be in a constant state of, happiness and excitement and joy. That's just not reality. But being a positive person to me is about, even on those days where you don't feel great and you feel like things are just not going your way, remind yourself it is going to get better. This is only temporary and happier times are coming. That really helps to put me in a better headspace. Not necessarily make me feel 100% better if I'm not feeling great that day, but it definitely helps to lift my mood even just a little bit.